Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing issue. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Export registry for future use. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand classes. Click and expand local settings. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand Shell. Delete bag MRU and bags keys. Close and exit Registry Editor. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is Open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options. Select this PC, uncheck Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access. Also uncheck Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access, click Clear. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.